would get the answer incorrect, he would repeatedly question his reasoning by contradicting his logic. The notion that knowledge comes from within was inspired by Socrates and his experiments. In 1885, Hermann Ebbinghaus (1850–1909) continued the study of learning. Specifically, he studied memory in its pure form. Pure, meaning free from meaningful associations. With himself as his own experimental subject, he exercised this form of memory with the use of meaningless syllables and repetition. Ebbinghaus laid the way to another form of learning, becoming increasingly able to recall something as a result of practice and repetition. He was known for the discovery of the learning curve and the forgetting curve. In 1898, Edward Thorndike (1874–1949), through his various real experiments and thought experiments, developed his theory of the law of effect. The law of effect is a notion that not only humans, but all animals will continue to attempt to find a solution to a problem, and once found will continuously use the same solution in order to solve the same problem. The action that is done causes a positive effect, solving the problem. Ivan Petrovich Pavlov (1849–1936) was a Russian physiologist in the early 1900s who also contributed to research on learning. Knowing that a dog salivates when food is present, he constructed a series of experiments that proved his thesis that he could make a dog salivate by just the presentation of the sound of a bell. The process he used is now called classical conditioning. John Brodus Watson (1878–1958) also used this method of learning to cause a young child, not previously afraid of furry animals, to become frightened of them. Although the number of different stimuli is limitless, the reactions that can be caused are limited to the natural reflexes we possess. Burris F. Skinner (1904–1990) was the founder of operant conditioning, which uses punishment and reinforcement as learning tools. This learning method is not as limited as the previous learning form. Operant conditioning is only limited by what can be used as reinforcement or punishment.